Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to install Instagram in laptop. To install Instagram on the laptop, we are going to open the Microsoft Store. Next, we will search for Instagram and install it. After that, we can log in and use Instagram from here. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Another alternative is to create a direct access to our Instagram web profile. To do this, once we are in our profile in Chrome, click on the three top points and then on Save and Share. Then, click on Create Shortcut. Now we assign it a name and check if we want the Open as Window option. Finally, we will see the Instagram shortcut created on the desktop, and we will be able to open Instagram whenever we want. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.